Welcome, today I'm showing how to turn off Google Assistant option into Oppo A53s. First of all, you need to find Google application on your phone and go into. Then in the top bottom corner we got more option. Then go into settings and here we got Google Assistant. Now need to scroll down and find general option, this one. Then need to turn off Google Assistant here. Click on the switcher, confirm operation to turn off one more time, and that's it. Now we turn off Google Assistant option. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.